Hey flowers, it's your Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how I do my summer makeup routine. It's a very simple makeup look. It is a full face, but I do not use half of the products that I normally use. So yeah, the point of this is to make sure that my skin stays airy, lighter, more dewy. That's the feeling. We want the skin to look like skin. We want the skin to look a little bit wet, especially for the summertime, because for me, that's when you get in that sun, girl, and you put, yeah. I'm still trying to find the perfect sheer foundation that I would like to use, so I haven't got there yet, but you'll see the products that I use in this video. If you want to see my summer makeup routine, make sure that you continue to watch. Before we get into the video, I want you to please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends, boo, period, okay? Period, boo. Alright, you guys, let's get right into it. Summer, summer, summertime, yeah. Hey you guys, so let's get right into this makeup. Alright, so I'm using my LaFleur moisturizer and primer from Becca Cosmetics. I'll actually leave this down below with my code, which is LaFleur, because this is named after me and you need to get this. It's really amazing. Like, this might be the best primer that I use, and it's so much. I've had this for months and I still have so much left. So once that's in my face nicely, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. This is the color Nutmeg. It is a little bit off for me. So I'm going to go ahead and with my stick from Black Opal. I believe this is the color, Mocha. I could be lying. I actually put that down in the description box, and I just mix those two together to create the complexion that I want. But I make sure not to put a lot of product because it is summertime and I don't want a heavy face at all. I want it to be covered. I want to have a nice clean even skin, but I do not want to have a lot of product on. So this for me is what I do, and I blend a lot because that makes it the foundation spread over and not give me too much. Okay, so once that's all blended, I'm going to go in with my BB cream, and this is the medium BB cream from Sistar Cosmetics. Usually I use the darker one, but I ran out. I actually need to order another one. I prefer this for the summertime, and I'm just going to use this as a highlighter, but it's just really like a cushion BB cream. But it's just another layer to brighten up that under eye of my skin and down the bridge of my nose without adding any more heavy layers on my face. Okay, so this is my Becca Cosmetics, it's the dewy, kind of wet, high settings powder. I don't remember the exact name. Y'all, I don't remember the exact name. But what I am going to do is put it down in the description box so you can get it for yourself. But I use this because it's light, it's airy, and it just doesn't feel like, the point of this is to not feel like I have on so much on my face. My normal makeup routine is very matte and heavy. So I just went and did my brows. I do my brows normally, and now I'm going in with some MAC NW58 powder for some contouring, and this is just to give that dimension back to the face, to give that illusion that I have a contour, powder or maybe contour liquid on. I don't put a lot of liquid on my face. Honestly, this makeup takes 10 to 15 minutes to do. So I'm going with my bronzer. I'm just going to do that to kind of warm up the face a little more, right above where I put my contour or right on top. It just brightens, adds some more richness to the face, more warmth. And I also add that where I put the nose too. I put that basically on top of my contour. Whoa. This is definitely a dance break. I forgot what I was listening to, but I was like, yes, this is my shit. Alright, so now I'm going in with some blush from Sistar Cosmetics. This is their Bright Berry blush. It's really, really pretty. I prefer, honestly, orange blushes in the summertime because they just look so good on my skin tone, but I didn't use it this time. But orange blush, needed. Another dance break. Okay, so now I'm going on my Fenty Trophy Wipe. The Fenty Trophy Wipe is the color for the summertime because it just, the way it glistens, sis, the way it glistens, like it just hit different in that sun. It just hits different in the sun. It just does. It just does. Alright, so this is my Domine Cosmetics lip gloss. I love this lip gloss because it's really peachy. I think that's the name of the color, honestly. But I use this. This is one of my go-to summer lip glosses because it has a nice color on it. And now this is my lashes. Those are from House of Lashes. And that, oh, what's the name of those? I think it's Child. I never know the name of anything. But you know, guys, that is my final look. I love how my makeup comes out. I look nice and fresh. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.